0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
What is up, Jeep Comanche world? This is old Dirty Vern, 1986 Jeep Comanche, model XLS, long bed, 4-wheel drive. I know you guys have seen it. It's got some additions. Light bar, Dixie Peck light bar, wired up, CB antennas installed. I'll get the antennas hooked up to a radio here soon. There he is. And now I have him perched up for the video here. Got these disconnects.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Just installed them today. Quite stock. Very stock actually. But here's the side. It has a 4.5-inch zone off-road lift kit. And then this is the rough country disconnects for the front. I would say on the front end, I got at least another 4 inches of travel. At least my ability to grip while I was traveling on all 4 wheels. So definitely worth the purchase, worth the time installing. Zone off-road and rough country, thank you so much for making a Jeep like this so much fun.
0,
Thank you for watching. This has been a 1986 Jeep Comanche Model XLS 4-wheel drive with a 3.4 liter V6 Chevy engine with stock transmission and transfer case.